audience, my name is Clairine from 4C class, and today I'm going to do an interesting experiment. The reason I choose this experiment because I love baking, and one of the steps during baking where the dough rises is pretty similar to this experiment. I call this experiment as Magic Balloon. There are several materials that I'm going to use for today, such as vinegar, baking soda, a funnel, balloon, plastic bottle, and also candles. First of all, I'm going to pour the vinegar into the plastic bottle. Not too much, not too little. Next, I'm going to put the baking soda into the balloon using the funnel. Remove the funnel, stretch the lip of the balloon over the top of the plastic bottle. But make sure that the baking soda stays in the balloon. Now I'm going to add the baking soda into the vinegar and let's see what happens. Carefully tip the balloon upright so the baking soda will fall into the vinegar. Let the reaction happen and let's observe what happens to the balloon. Carefully tip it upright and wow! The balloon inflates! Do you know how did it happen? Because the reaction between vinegar and baking soda produce salt, water, and also carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide fills the balloon and inflates it. Now I'm going to take the balloon off from the plastic bottle. But make sure it still inflates. And now I'm going to open the balloon in front of the burning candles. Wow! Do you know how did it happen? Oxygen is one of the fire triangle element has been displaced by carbon dioxide. Because carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen. That's why carbon dioxide is well known as the extinguishing agent of fire. This experiment shows us a chemical reaction between vinegar and also baking soda. When the two of them combine, carbon dioxide will escape from the plastic bottle, makes the balloon inflate, plus carbon dioxide can be used to extinguish flame. Try it at home, guys! It is very exciting. Thank you for watching my video for today. God bless you all!